In this video I will show you how you can easily get rid of spots with this magical solution from Mario Badescu. It's interesting, the name. Mario Badescu is a popular American beauty lotion and this skincare products maker, and has a Romanian name. Interesting. This is the drying lotion from Mario Badescu or Badescu, depending on where you're from. And the ingredients: isopropyl alcohol, water, calamine, camphor, sulfur, zinc oxide, titanium dioxide. I think titanium dioxide and talc are just fillers. Glycerin, interesting. And the main ingredient, salicylic acid. This will make the spots, the skin. From what I read, it gets more water into the skin cells and it makes them break, basically. So the skin will shed faster where this lotion is applied. And that's pretty much what you want when you have a spot. You want to get rid of it. And the main thing is not to squeeze the spot. And this Mario Badescu brand is very popular, actually, very famous. I had no idea about it, but okay. Skincare since 1967, was it? Yeah, that's a long time. So even the color, it's a bit like the skin color. I don't really care about this, but for women, it's important, I guess, to have a skin color. And I think the clear part is the alcohol with glycerin, and the lower part is the part that actually contains the salicylic acid. I don't know much about it. This is not medical advice. I'm just showing you how I apply it, how I was shown to apply it, and how we use it. I didn't know that we have this thing. Now I know. I have a few spots, so I have to get rid of them. You take a Q-tip, you dip it into the solution, making sure that this dry powder stays on the bottom. So if you don't shake this bottle, if you shake it, you have to let it sit for maybe a few hours or a few days until it settles on the bottom. And you see it collects a bit of this powder from the bottom. This is what you want to apply to your spot, to your area where you want to apply it. And also it stings a bit if there is any cut or anything, so it's not meant to be applied on broken skin. And this is a spot right there. I try not to go too close, not to make it too scary, but you get the idea. You apply this powder and it slowly covers the spot. In this case here, I didn't really apply it well. You see, there is not much. It should be concentrated.
Q-tip, use another one so you don't contaminate the solution.
Yeah, you should not reuse the once you use it, you don't put it back in the bottle. You use another one, so you don't bring any foreign stuff in the bottle.
No, this is much better.
Yeah, much better now. So I'll just use it on another spot. I don't know exactly if you can use it for many other things, but for spots, it works really like magic. I mean, this is just a demonstration here on the hand. It's a bit of like some powder, but it actually dries the skin eventually, and the spot comes out faster. The skin sheds faster under this. I hope this video is helpful. I will put a link in the description for this Mario Badescu skincare. Mario Badescu skincare, established in 1967, drying lotion, 29 milliliters or 1. I don't know the American units. Yeah, 29 milliliters. Thanks for watching. Bye.